one shake like this.
Death can have me when it earns me.
And another one shake.
A bionic arm.
Hey guys, and I am Zenox, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my most demanding shake tutorial on Alight motion. So without further wasting any more of your time, let's get started. Now, first of all, open your Alight motion. Now go to the clip and effect section and add tiles. Now again go to the effect section and add exposure and gamma. Now we have to go, again effect section, and add motion blur. Now add oscillate. After that, we are going to add random displacement. Now again add random displacement. After that, we have to add auto shake. Now again add motion blur. And again motion blur. Now go to effect section, add random displacement. Now the last thing is in shake, and that is zoom in and zoom out. So basically I'm using pulse size for zoom. Now the shake look like this. But if you want shake look like this, then remove your auto shake, and that's it. And yes guys, presets are available on my Discord server. Now the last thing is, and that is halftone dots. After adding shape, now we have go in other section and add copy background, and go to effect section and add halftone dots effect. And copy my settings as I do. Now your shake and halftone dust effects are ready. Okay, so today you've learned how to make shake like me. But if you want to make more shake, check out the video on the left side where I show you how to make quick shake on after motion. And in the video on the right side, I explain how to make deep glow on after motion. That's it for today's video. So this was Zenox signing off. See you guys in the next one. Till end. Peace.